video of the CURT 14301 Class 4 trailer hitch on the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the spare tire to provide more room for the installation. On some vehicles, you'll need to remove the factory bumper mount hitch prior to installation. On this vehicle, there was no factory hitch present. However, we removed the corresponding hardware as if there was for illustrative purposes. Starting on the driver's side, remove the bolt connecting the center hitch tab to the bumper. Next, remove the bolts and nuts that secure the hitch to the bottom of the vehicle's frame. Remove the nuts and stud plate that secure the hitch to the side of the frame rails. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included hex bolts and conical tooth washers in the rearmost attachment point. Place the included carriage bolts and square hole spacers down through the top of the frame and into the two forwardmost attachment points on the hitch. Secure each carriage bolt with the provided hex flange nut. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the spare tire. Giddy up! Yeah! This completes the installation of the CURT 14301 Class 4 trailer hitch on the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. Check out all the CURT ball mount options and install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.